Good morning, everyone. I'm out here in my backyard again, and I brought another book to share with all of you. It's called Look, It's Raining. And it is not raining right now, but I thought of this book this weekend because it was thundery and rainy and drizzly, but still a really fun time to get outside. So I brought this book to share with all of you. I hope you like it. Look, It's Raining. It's Sunday, and Camille is bored. She's read all of her books, and she's tidied her box of pencils by color. No one is paying attention to her. Mom reads the newspaper, and Dad folds the clothes. Camille could just leave the house. Nobody would notice. So Camille slips quietly outside. Outside, the sky is gray. It's so low, Camille could touch it. Suddenly, thunder roars. Camille shivers with happiness. She is excited to get outside. Big raindrops plop on her head, roll down her hair and face. Camille sticks out her tongue. The rain tastes like dust, like clouds. On the ground, a column of ants zigzags and spins. Camille watches the little red dots. "Where are you going?" she asks. "We're going to a show," an ant says. "A show?" Camille runs her hands through the tall, wet grass. The strands prickle her palms, and water splashes the tip of her nose. She loves the plant that spreads its leaves like an octopus in the ocean. Camille's garden looks like an all-green sea. On a rose bush beaded with rain, a spider spins a web. Camille studies her tangled legs and colorful spots. "You are too beautiful to scare me. I'd rather be scary," the spider says. "Hurry, you'll miss the show." What was this show everyone was talking about? Camille wonders. You see the spider? Too beautiful to be scary. Camille ponders a big tree with powerful roots. She imagines the roots running deep beneath her house, across the street, and into her neighbor's garden. What do you see on the tree? A couple mushrooms hiding some animals, some birds. Oh, I just noticed this raccoon tail. On the ground at her feet, Camille spots two snails crawling slowly. "It's far," one said. "It's long," the other said. "If we had wings, we would be there by now." Camille gently picks up a snail in each hand and places them at the foot of the tree. That's when Camille discovers a small, shiny, black thing suspended from a branch. "What's that?" "It's a chrysalis," a bee buzzes in her ear. Can you see it? The little chrysalis? It's right there. Two eyes shine in the hedge. Camille recognizes them. They belong to the neighbor's big gray cat. "Look closely, Camille. The show is about to begin." What's happening in this chrysalis? Is something coming out of it? Suddenly, the rain stops. A scent of damp earth and faded flowers floats in the air. The clouds open. The sun begins to shine. And look what is coming out of the chrysalis. Wow. Look at this amazing butterfly. and Camille's heart tightens. When she closes her eyes, she can still see the color of the new butterfly's wings as it flies away to the bright blue sky. It is so beautiful. It is Sunday, and Camille is no longer bored. Let's go for a walk, Camille shouts. It is silly to stay inside all day. Outside, there's always a show to see. The end. I hope you all enjoyed that one. I hope you all get to spend some time outside today.